Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about TRB, potential targets for 2023 and the next upcoming bull run with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Circulation supply now, it's 1,700,000. Price now $11. Market cap only 19 millions. This coin trade on all major exchanges. Tellor followed by just in some. So maybe it's a good sign for investors. If we take a look on overview, the highest level for market cap was in May 2021. By end of bull run was around 192 millions. Let's take a look now on the chart. Just to be honest, for me personally, we have a room for drop one more time. Of course, here is a chart from November 18, and we already sweep it liquidity. What we got here in October 2020, but we still got, first of all, 27 zone. 27 zone is pretty wide, this is one thing what I don't like. We didn't close a monthly tiny gap. What we leave it here between $6.62 till $6. That's why we have all chances go back and sweep close this monthly gap. From this current price, it can be pretty hard drop. Yes, almost 46%. It's not necessary, so we have to come back now. We can come back even after a new high. Even after a few years, we can come back and close this gap. So it's just hypothetical scenario. The bullish gap here, also tiny one. I don't like the gaps when we got this so tiny gaps. It's 84 till 84.94. So it's less than $1 range. So I don't know what's the point to count this gap, so this FIB is relevant. This is a top $166. This is a drop to $33. This is an almost test 38 level FIB and collapsed down to 27 zone. Now we didn't even test the 50% of this zone. 50% of this zone will be around here, around $3.82. So now we trade at $11.92. So we have huge room for drop, because if we trade classic analysis, we gotta just order flow, gap, monthly gap, and order flow. So we can see some, I don't know, maybe black swan or something can happen with this coin, So we have a chance to drop 0.5 level by FIB of this range, $3.82. I don't want to scare you, but it's just a hypothetical scenario, just possible scenario for this coin. If we take a look on a line chart, yes, line chart also looks not so pretty good, just to be honest. Let's take a look on volume range. Here, fixed volume range from the top till this bottom. Let's count like this one. So the main sellers area will be here at 25. Why exactly 25? Because like you can see, in 90 cases, we come back and close the 50% of the week like this one. That's why, yes, we have all chances to move to $25 and then drop it down to $6. It's not unnecessary, so we have to do this year or next one. It's just my personal thoughts, so we can come back later. On this playlist, I showed you, for example, BNB chart. We still didn't touch 27 zone. We hold strong Matic. We hold strong Trust Wallet, coin. That's why, yes, we can trade long-term period 27 zone at 18 level. And start climbing up to these zones, to the bullish zones, to correction. We can see the correction, it's 0.5 and 61. It's 99 and 150, 15. So this is its most conservative price targets for this coin. Sweep this liquidity, this liquidity, this liquidity. Close monthly gap. And it will be just a correction to this FIB. Just to be honest, I don't think so. And I don't know if we will beat the high or not. 284, 380. So this is potential targets if will be the previous all-time high. So just keep in mind the most negative scenario around $3.80, for example, and positive scenario conservative, it's a 100 psychological price. After when we'll reach 100, everybody starts talking about 200, 300, 500. So it's just human psychology.
Now let's go and double check this chart with my custom indicator set. And I'll recommend you go and watch this big tutorial how to work with my indicator set 6-in-1.
ADZ. Based on ADZ, here we let's take a look if we form it the divergency. This was the drop in May 2022, $8. This was the drop to $8.52, and this was the drop $7 lowest point $7.46. So basically, yes, basically we formed the divergency like this one here. So yes, we can count this is the divergency on a monthly. This is a bullish signal because when we formed the divergence on a weekly, it's a bullish signal. Now we're in the middle zone, so we are not in distribution now. We're in the middle, not in accumulation, not in distribution. On a monthly, we're in accumulation. Yes. So basically, we can see the move like this one, and only after that, in the next cycle, we can drop and close this gap. So yes, we have a chance to see something like this one. If we take a look on crude flight direction, yes, we're in accumulation. So this accumulation stage, this accumulation stage, this accumulation stage. So yes, we have all chances to see maybe if we'll see some altcoin season, at least $25, and then maybe test once again 18. So now we're trying to build some main support zone. So crypto flight direction is bullish. Let's take a look at the market mood. Yes, it was disbelief zone here from December 2022, January 2022, we got $27 till $7. So this range, it's a good time for accumulation. So average entry, for example, of this whales can be around 15, 17. So that's why they can easily push the price to close 50% of this gap, or even touch a zero level, 33. And after that, they can push the price down once again and forming maybe a deviation. So if it's a range, if it's all the range, so the drop, bounce, drop, now we bounce middle line, going over the equilibrium, we can drop and sweep liquidity. This liquidity, this liquidity. So this can be the potential trap for investors who jump in all in now in this coin. So if you see 100% profit on this coin, you can easily withdraw your initial deposit, just to leave free coins without any stress. So for example, if you buy it at $7.46, at at 15, you can withdraw your initial deposit, just to leave free coins. So this is how it works. Now we was in the disbelief zone. I think one more time we'll see this disbelief zone just a little bit later. Let's take a look on trade on. Based on trade on, we didn't see any signal to buy, but like you saw in my previous video about horizon, not unnecessary. So we have to see the signal to take profit and signal to buy. So here is a main signal to sell, recommendation close position. Main signal to sell, recommendation close position. Maybe sooner or later we'll see the signal close position from sell and new signal to buy on a weekly. So it's going to be one more confirmation to buy this coin. Bullish confirmation. Last indicator is take profit. Now we trade at fundamental value of this coin. A real value of this coin is $12.08 at this current moment. Take profit at 32 at zero level. Yes, so if we will see some alt season, it can be pump around 188 till, for example, exit line, even exit line, 224%. So I remind you, we can form something like this one. So if this is a top, this is a bottom, we can form in this range. So we already made a deviation at the top. We can go over then equilibrium everybody open long position, and we will drop one more time, forming deviation at the bottom. So this is how it works. So I think we'll long-term period can trade in this range until I don't know, maybe next summer. So I'm not expecting the crazy gains now to 0.5 level by Fib. Yes, I think we'll trade a long-term period in this range, and we'll come back later to this coin. I would like to share an idea on TradingView. So this video is for long run, you know, so you can come back every single time, just double check the valid, relevant zones and targets, and I will keep with updates on TradingView.
Guys, if you want to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, only for $1 per day, just write me DM. All links will be on the description below. And you have to know, this indicator set works even on the free TradingView plan.
Guys, I hope you like this video about TRB. Write please in the comment, do you hold this coin in your portfolio or not? What is your target for the next bull run? And what is your lowest point where you would like to accumulate this coin once again? Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.